So here is an update for Kalodata. Some of you have asked me about using Kalodata in the UK. So today they have officially launched and it's currently live. So from now on, if you reside in the UK, you'll be able to use Kalodata to do your research on TikTok Shop. So in case it's your first time hearing about Kalodata, it's basically one of the best tools that I've used for TikTok Shop affiliate research. You can find all types of useful information on here. You can first sign up for a free trial. I'll link it down below in the description and let me show you. So once you're logged in, this is what you'll see. And on the upper right hand side, you can select United Kingdom or you can select your respective country. And when you scroll down, you'll see the top products, and this is defaulted to show you the past 7 days. You'll see the top creators, the top shops, the top videos, and also the top live streams. So to see the top products, you can come up here to click products. And here you'll see the list of the top selling products. If you want to see a different date range, you can just come up here and select a different date range. Let's do 30 days. You can also select a different category. So since I'm on a trial account, I'm not able to, but once you're on a professional or enterprise account, you'll be able to narrow down the different categories. You can filter by the revenue. So let's do more than 10K revenue. Revenue trend, let's select growing. You can also sort by different unit price. So let's do 20 to 100. And when you're done, just click submit. And here you'll see the result. So let's select the first one as an example. So this is the product. It's a daily green superfood powder. You'll see the total number of revenue that was generated and other core metrics. And when you scroll down, you see the creators that's promoting this product and that's having success with it. And when you scroll down, you'll see the exact videos that are generating views and also generating sales. So with this tool, you're able to see which product is selling well and also which creator is promoting it, and most importantly, exactly which content is getting result. So this tool just makes researching so much easier. So this was just a quick update about this tool. It's available in the UK now. If you want to see a more in-depth dive in of this tool, you can check out my other videos. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.